Hello beauty, my name is Glory Mtui and welcome again to my channel. Today we have quickly turban style. If you have meeting or you want to go out and your hair is not on point, my dear, don't worry. In today's video will be very simple and helpful, especially if you have turban in your house. I pick red and yellow color because I find these colors add more shining in my skin tone. So I started by tying my two turbans together to make it more easy to mix the colors. Then I go ahead and start to work with the red color. I make sure the red cover one side of my face, followed with the yellow color, which cover one side of my face as well. Then I make sure in back I keep small piece of turban to make it more easy to pin them together. What I find in this turban material, they are so easy to style it. No matter how big it is, as long as you can hold them together, everything will be on point and beautiful. After one line of the red color cover my head, the yellow cover as well, but in halfway. I hope this makes sense. I also make sure the colors cross mid of my head. After red color and yellow color cover twice, I take a bobby pin and pin them together in back. If you don't have bobby pin, you can use T-pins or hat pins or any kind of long pin you have. They also work very well, but you must make sure you are very careful when you place them on your head. Don't hurt yourself. I make sure the hat I put on inside is not showing. After that, I tie red and yellow in mid of my head. And this is the final result for the style number 1. Then style number 2 is not far from style number 1. The difference is style number 1, every color cross twice, while style number 2, every color cross 3 times. And this is the style number 2. Thank you so much guys for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to leave your comments below. Let me know which style is your favorite, number 1 or number 2. And please, if you find this video is useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Then I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.